Need quick access to your Acorns investments? Let's get your money out and back into your bank account with this super simple guide. First things first, fire up the Acorns app on your phone and make sure you're logged in. You know the drill. Next, tap on the profile icon located in the top left corner of your screen. It usually displays your initials or profile picture. This will take you to your account settings. Scroll down until you see the withdraw option. Give it a tap. This will take you to the withdrawal page where you'll start the process of transferring your funds. Here, you'll see a list of your Acorns accounts, like your invest, later retirement, or spend accounts. Select the specific account you want to withdraw money from. Now, enter the amount you want to withdraw. Double-check this number to make sure it's correct. Remember, withdrawals may have tax implications, so keep that in mind. Confirm the bank account you want to send the money to. Acorns usually has your linked bank account already set up. Then, hit that submit button. Acorns will then process your withdrawal request. Keep in mind that it usually takes 13 business days for the money to arrive in your bank account, and there you have it. Quick and easy.